Right now, you're looking at a sentiment score of plus 0.24, but momentum has dipped to minus 0.34. This divergence indicates a rare moment where positive sentiment isn't translating into momentum, something we don't see every day. Our API returns detailed insights, including sentiment scores, momentum, and even clusters of related investment themes. For example, you could use this data to identify sectors where optimism is high, yet momentum is lagging, allowing you to strategize entry points or risk assessments. Explore how this sentiment anomaly can inform your investment strategies and decisions. For detailed documentation, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.